I wanted to show you guys how to make these trays because I've been showing you this White with Style bleach kit for like years on end now, and I don't think I've ever shown you how to make the trays, and so I wanted to show you how those are made. I wanted to bleach my teeth before the photo shoot. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it in the description for you guys. Life got in the way, and you guys know I've been having a little bit of a hard time in my personal life. I've been sleeping in my makeup. That shows you how bad things are. I'm kind of a mess, and I just thought, you know, it's Friday. I'm just going to sit on my counter and bleach my teeth, yeah? Since I was little, I have worried about my teeth being super thin and transparent, and so I worried that when I would whiten them, that they would get even more transparent, and they never have. They've just kind of stayed the same. Like I said, I've been using the White with Style for about 6 years now. It doesn't make my teeth sensitive, not even like close to being sensitive. My gums and my teeth get uber sensitive, like lightning bolts shocking through them. This stuff never does that. Otherwise, like, I just wouldn't be like sharing it with you. I do have a discount code. If you guys want to use code Bonnie, you can get the Sparkle White Kit for $29.99. There's that for you. I always get them for Christmas presents. That's in a couple months, and I just routinely will do it every so often, or if I have like a special occasion or something. I actually forget this every single time whenever I'm like feeling crappy. My advice to anyone and everyone is always get up and start doing something. Get up and get ready, whether you want to or not, and you always feel better. And when my mom would give me that advice when I was young, I hated it. Like, I seriously hated it because I was just like, all I want to do is like lay in bed. I also believe you need to take time to lay in bed. I did. I don't think I vlogged for like 4 days, and then I got really behind, and that was like stressing me out. And then I took the advice that I give to like all my like vlogger friends. I'm like, just pick up the camera and be transparent. Let them know what's going on with you, or like how you're feeling. We don't have to let you know what's going on, but like let them know how you're feeling, because chances are they're feeling the same way. And 2, it's therapeutic. For me, it's therapeutic to get on and just talk. And you know, I don't even know if I'm saying anything half the time. I mean, here I am wiping off makeup from yesterday, salvaging my mascara so that I don't have to reapply it. Because yes, it's Friday, but do I have any plans? No. Do I just want to sit in my bed and watch a movie when Joel gets home? Yes. Joel's over working on the house today. Kind of like the gist of the day. In keeping with the whole bathroom scene with the vlog today. Oh, let me find my pumice stone. That was my whole point. This is a pumice stone. And when I went to Julie's house, oh, and P.S. I was going to like, oh, I'm gonna get ready. No, I didn't. I stayed in my robe all day, so hi. When I was at Julie's house, my sister, we were cleaning her home that she was moving into, and there was like paint all over the toilet, and there was like weird stuff all over the toilet, and she was like, oh, here, use the pumice stone. And then I remembered a long time ago when we were cleaning with our mom, she always had a pumice stone. This is a clean one, P.S. in my toilet. Every time we clean it, it looks really clean, and the edges are really clean. But down there, there's this like scuffing. And what I think it is calcium. So Logan's water has the worst calcium. Like you can see, like my toilet is spotless. Like, why am I showing the world my flippin' toilet? Okay, and this is gonna be disgusting, but I'm gonna put my hand in the toilet because even if I do have a glove on, I don't have a glove that goes tall enough so the water is gonna go inside my glove, and I feel like that's gonna be worse. So the toilet's brand new clean. I'm not too concerned about it. I'll wash my hands when I'm done, but we're gonna experiment and see if this gets off. I'm gonna start in the And you would think that like a stone is gonna scratch the porcelain, but it doesn't. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work. Ew. What is this at the bottom of the toilet? I don't think that's coming off. Is this not a good enough pumice stone? No, I think it's coming off, but I think this pumice stone is too big. I can kind of see that it's coming off. This is not the before and after I was hoping for. I feel disgusting. I can't believe I'm doing this on camera. I think my pumice stone is too big. I'm gonna try and break it. I'll be back. Took this outside, broke it in half. We're gonna see if this works. But instead of you watching me, I'll be back. Here's the verdict. I don't know what the heck is going to get rid of what's in the bottom of my toilet. You guys have any suggestions? Come let me know. I'll show you when I'm done cleaning my hands. It's not coming out. It's just not coming out. Pumice stone surprises me that it doesn't scratch surfaces. Anyway, that was my whole point. I've been like sitting there trying to clean the bottom of that toilet for so long, and I don't know what is going to make it better. I'll show you. No, it's not. It's not getting any better. I don't know what the heck is down there. Any ideas? It scraped it. I wonder if I just continued. I mean, this is the weirdest thing. I have no idea what this is. Nobody wants to look at my toilet. Why do I embarrass myself like that? All right, well, it's not poo. It's not like a skid mark down there. It's some sort of buildup, and I don't know how to get rid of it. I spent most of my day sitting right there in my robe. I elevated my loungewear to just a different item of loungewear. These will be restocked on, I'm pretty sure October 21st, but we're gonna say October. Kids are like, what's for dinner? I was like, good question. I don't know. I bought a bunch of broccoli thinking we were gonna eat it, and we still haven't. I bought it to go with a dinner. The other part of dinner is gone. We cooked everything else instead, like last minute. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I just feel like a hot mess. Link, you ready to go to the grocery store? We'll find something for dinner. And when I say like find something for dinner, I mean like pick up a box of mac and cheese for you kids. Yes, mac and cheese! Because I genuinely don't keep that stuff in the house that often, and so I don't even.
Macaroni and cheese, because like macaroni and cheese, I call it macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese.
I'm feeling pretty crappy, but I mean, there's no denying that this outfit is so flipping cute. Like, I'm genuinely proud of it. If I've ever done anything right in my life, it was this outfit and the robe. Ellie and I. The restock will be soon. Get ready for it, because I guarantee they'll go fast. Okay, let's go. This is what happens when Lincoln comes with mom to the grocery store and mom is tired and hungry and a little, you know, I don't know. Whatever. I have my boundaries, son. Just kidding. No, I don't. Come here. Hey, little boyfriend, if you're gonna go on a Friday date with me, you dang well better hold my hand.
I'm not going on a date with you.
Oh, whether you want to believe that or not, here we are.
We're not on a date.
Here we are. And I'm even gonna open the door for you. Aren't I a gentlewoman? Hop in, boyfriend.
No.
Get in.
Yes, help.
Lincoln told me that only moms have to eat healthy. And I said, no, daddies have to eat healthy, and little boys like Lincoln have to eat healthy.
Mom and dad do too.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. We all
Need to be healthy.
We all have to be healthy.
Yeah, everybody has to be healthy.
Ah, here goes the milk. We like our mac and cheese a little soupy around here. I will not be eating this, but
Because mom was eating pancakes.
popcorn.
Yeah.
Although this does look delicious. Your mac and cheese is done. Come sit down and eat. Can you say goodnight to everybody?
Good night.
Good night. Tomorrow is a new day, all right? Start fresh tomorrow.